Are you having problems with DTS not locating the dtshl64.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. I've diagnosed the pathing error and I'm going to show you how to restore the file. To start our troubleshooting for dtshl64, you can follow my manual steps or use a utility for a clean environment review. This is the dtshl64, a 64-bit localized library for DTS digital theater systems audio processing. It manages localized high-fidelity audio decoding and localized spatial mixing for 64-bit media players and professional home theater software. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. If dtshl64.dll is missing, it typically indicates a break in your system's rendering stack. Use the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime web installer to restore legacy D3DX and Xaudio files. Then verify your GPU drivers to support any OpenCL or OpenGL dependencies. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the dtshl64 file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. Because the initial reinstall failed, you must verify the structural integrity of your software, and you should run the repair option within the application setup menu. This forces the system to compare your local DLL file against the official version and replace any data that is found to be truncated or damaged. Why are we doing this? Well, files inside application directories can become corrupted during a failed update, and integrity checks are designed to specifically target and fix these silent file errors. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Technical warning: many online file mirrors provide versions of dtshl64.dll that are either corrupted or intentionally modified, putting your privacy at risk without resolving the underlying execution error. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. If library conflicts or resource allocation issues are present, the link below provides general information on managing dtshl64 dependencies. If you've regained access to dtshl64 thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.